Have you ever experienced the frustration of forgetting basic vocabulary while a catchy song lingers in your mind? Luckily, music streaming services provide the perfect solution: entertaining songs that help teach useful vocabulary effortlessly. The key lies in selecting the right types of songs that align with your language learning goals for maximum benefit. From mixes to translated favorites, these music options can transform your language journey into an enjoyable adventure. Explore the world of native songs that offer an immersive experience, giving you a genuine taste of the culture. What songs should you listen to when learning a new language? 3 options, in order of difficulty. A bilingual mix of Anglophone musicians singing in the language you're learning. Translated versions of English songs you already love. Songs from a country that speaks your target language. Where do you find the songs? Spotify's charts lists the 200 most played songs all over the world. YouTube playlists, search for Best Songs of Year, Language, for example, Best Songs of 2024 Spanish, and you'll find hundreds of spliced together videos or playlists highlighting that year's most popular songs. When you find an artist you like, go to Music Roma. See a web of other artists whose music connects to your faves. Tip: Google search in the language itself. For example, you'll find more responses if you type Deutsche Lieder instead of German song. Leave a comment on your language learning journey.